Oh, this lighting. But now the mailman is here and he's like staring at me. I think those are my Bath & Body Works candles. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. Today's video, I am doing a shop with me at Hobby Lobby. It is Saturday, I think it's the 17th, and I am going to try to get this video up Saturday night or early Sunday morning. I don't want you guys to miss it. Hobby Lobby's having a great sale right now. All of their Christmas decorations, so literally everything I got today was 50% off. All of their decorations, all of their floral. I tried my hardest to get some camera shots of like what was on sale and stuff like that. So I just forgot to film an outro or an intro to this video. So here I am. I got a ton of stuff at Hobby Lobby. So I will definitely show you everything that I got after the shop with me. I tried my hardest, like I said, to get some good shots, but it was pretty busy in there today, so please bear with me if, you know, there were a lot of cuts or sometimes like the camera was a little bit shaky. I had to like move the camera quick because I didn't want people to get upset that I was filming them. Whatever. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this shop with me. I really love doing shop with me's, and I hope you enjoy this haul. So let me show you the shop with me footage, and then I will pop back and show you what I got at the haul.
Sometime with just ourselves and not with someone
Oh my god, please just ignore like this really terrible like scenery behind me. I'm downstairs in like my filming room or like my beauty room, and I just have like trash and just everything behind me, so just don't even look at that. And my camera's not focusing. What is going on? That's a little bit better, but my room is still terrible. So let me show you everything that I got at Hobby Lobby. Oh my god, I got so much stuff. It's so good, and like I said, it was really cheap. Everything was half off. So the first thing I got was this garland. Like I said, it was half off, $14.99. And I'm gonna put this on my stairs, like going up into my, like right in my entryway, like going up into my living room. I'm just gonna like wrap it around the banister. Next, this is probably my favorite thing in the entire world. These, I guess this is like Hobby Lobby's like new thing. They had it last year, but I didn't see it last year. And it's called My Little Christmas, and it's these little trees. I have to fluff it, but it's just these little trees. And then they sell like all these little mini accessories. Everything's pretty cheap. Like I said, this was all 50% off. So I'm gonna put this in Evelyn's room, like on her bureau, so like she can have her own little tree. How cute is that? Look at like the little tree skirt. So cute. Little garland, or little, yeah, I guess this is garland. And then I bought her an ornament with her name on it. And actually I got this too. Which is like a little tree topper. Again, everything was pretty cheap, and they had like a whole wall of them. I can't honestly remember if I had good footage of it. Maybe you saw it, or maybe you didn't. I don't know. But yeah, this tree was $8, but like I said, everything was half off. So how cute is that, right? Oh my gosh. This is probably my favorite thing in the entire haul. I came, I saw, I jingled. Why is this so cute? Oh my god. This is $11, again, half off. I just think this is adorable. I'm gonna put this in my dining room. I think that's hilarious. So I got 2 bows. I'm gonna hang these on my sliding glass doors and also my windows in the living room. Again, half off. They were $3 or $4 before the discount. What's next? And this just cute little thing to make Evelyn's hand, like you make their handprints as an ornament. I have one from 2 years ago. We didn't do one last year, so I thought that this would be a cute tradition. I can't remember if crafts were half off or not. I don't know. This was half off. This is just like a placemat. I'm gonna put this on my dining room table, and for Thanksgiving, I want red roses as like the centerpiece for Thanksgiving. So I'm gonna put this like at the center of my dining room table. And then this is just, again, this isn't really decorations, but I'm gonna include it anyway because why not? Make your own ornaments, $5, and there's like all of these that you can make. So I figured these will be really cute for Ev and I to do together. I got craft paints, and I got some Elmer's glue for the ornaments. So that's everything I got, and I am like really happy with it. This was just under $40. I think it was between 30 and 40. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with me and being patient. I'm still like learning how to film shop with me, so please be kind. If you want me to like show you something different in future shop with me, like I really do try to show you guys the prices of everything, but that's really hard to do if the store is really busy and like people are looking at you. Like, so I tried to show prices, but that's why I do the hauls too, to give you an idea of what the prices are of things. But yeah, get to Hobby Lobby if you can, because like I said, right now everything's 50% off for Christmas, and I'm gonna try to upload this as fast as I can. It's Saturday afternoon. I'm literally hoping to like edit and upload this in a couple hours, so this is almost real time. If not, it'll be up first thing Sunday morning. But yeah, so that's what I got. I hope you enjoyed this video. I haven't looked at the footage from the store yet, so I don't know how that's come out, so I hope you enjoyed that. I hope it's okay. And yeah, so I love you guys. I hope you're enjoying the holiday season as it kicks off as much as I am. And I hope you're just like really excited for Thanksgiving and Christmas like I am. Oh my God, this is, oh, so good. So I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.